In this video, you'll learn how to buy USDT on Bitget Wallet. By following these steps, you will successfully complete your purchase and understand the process involved in acquiring USDT using this platform. Begin by navigating to the Bitget exchange website. Ensure you have a stable internet connection to facilitate a smooth experience. This will help avoid interruptions during the purchasing process. Once the Bitget homepage loads, look for the option labeled Buy Crypto. This is typically found prominently on the main interface. Clicking on this link will take you to the section dedicated to purchasing cryptocurrencies. After selecting Buy Crypto, the interface will transition to a new page. Here, locate and click on the Buy and Sell option. This enables you to access the various methods available for purchasing cryptocurrencies. Next, you will see a prompt indicating your fastest way to buy crypto. Click on this link to proceed to the next step. This will direct you to the specific buying options available for USDT. Once you are on the buying options page, select the Buy button. This action will initiate the process of purchasing USDT. Ensure that you have verified your account details and available balance before proceeding. After clicking Buy, you will be prompted to select a payment method. Click on Pay to continue. This step is crucial as it determines how you will complete the transaction for your USDT purchase. Now, enter the amount 829100 in the designated field. This specifies the quantity of USDT you wish to acquire. Ensure that the amount aligns with your intended purchase and available funds. Following this, click on the Receive option. This will confirm the transaction details and prepare your order for processing. It is important to review all information at this stage. Next, find and click on USDT to specify the cryptocurrency you're purchasing. This action ensures that your order is correctly set up for the desired currency. Then click on USDT again to finalize your selection. This confirms that you want to proceed with buying USDT specifically, reinforcing your previous choice. After confirming your currency, click on Pay With to choose your payment method. This will lead you to various payment options available for completing the purchase. Select Visa/MasterCard as your payment method. This option is commonly used and allows for a straightforward transaction process. Ensure that your card details are ready for entry. Once you've selected your payment method, click on Confirm. This action will finalize your payment choice and prepare for the transaction to be processed. Finally, click on the Buy button to complete your purchase of USDT. After this action, the system will process your order, and you should see a confirmation message indicating that your transaction is successful. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you the next tutorial